Hi, my name is Shena, and we're gonna try something new today. We're gonna try an avocado shake or a Zaboca smoothie. So for this, you're gonna need one avocado, or Zaboca, as we like to call it here locally. You need milk, any kind of milk of your choice. Sweetener of your choice. Today we're gonna use honey, some ice, and a blender. I like this smoothie because when I'm in a rush, I don't have time to make breakfast, smoothies it is. Quick, simple, filling, nutritious, ready to go. So this is a pretty large Zaboca, so we'll just use half of it in this case. Look at that beautiful yellow color. We're gonna scoop out this beautiful avocado. Dump it in there. We're not gonna make this complicated, just quick and easy. Now, depending on where you are, the avocados are not gonna look like this. Sometimes they're smaller. They're not as buttery, they're not as smooth. It doesn't matter. Whatever avocado you have, use that. Say we're using oat milk, let's say 1.5 cups, 2 cups. Let's pour it in there. Don't be shy. Put in the honey. Pour it in there. It's sweetened to taste, right? All right. And then a little bit of ice to chill it out. Okay, and let's get to blending. Smoothie time. All right, let's try it out. Look at that. Creamy. It's like a little ice cream. And there you have it. Quick, easy, simple Zaboca shake or avocado smoothie. Z for Zaboca. A tree with fruits soft and green, with a blush of yellow and branches that lean. A simple fruit that makes a mean sandwich dip and an unexpected new sip. Now here's the tip. Take milk chocolate Zaboca and blend to find a drink you'll soon share with your friend. It'll make a smooth kind of punch, now enjoyed for breakfast, lunch, or brunch. You can pick up Cook It Up A to Z, Trinidad and Tobago on our website at cookitupatoz.com and find other fun food inspirations.